Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this video, we are going to learn how to restart or turn on the computer in safe mode on Windows 11 computer and turn off the safe mode. And we will also check safe mode with networking. Well, safe mode is a Microsoft diagnostic mode. In many troubleshooting steps, we require to be on safe mode with networking. You just need to do a right click on the start icon and click on run. Now here you need to type msconfig and click on OK. Once you do that, you will find system configuration where you have general, boot, services, startup and tools. So here we need to go to boot, and in the boot option you have safe boot. Now please make sure once you check the safe boot, please don't forget to select network, because if you only check the safe boot and the radio button on minimal, then most probably your internet might not work in safe boot. So this is why network is very important. And then you just need to click on apply and yes, and then OK. So once you do that, it will ask you to restart the computer, and the moment you restart the computer, you will be on the safe mode. Now how we can go back to normal mode, from safe mode to normal mode? So for that, we need to do the same process again. Just do a right click, click on run and type msconfig and click on OK, and then go to the boot section, and here we just need to select minimal, uncheck safe boot. Any which way, if you uncheck the safe boot and click on apply and then OK. Once you have clicked on apply and OK, you just need to restart the computer and you will be in the normal mode. Let me know in the comment section if it has worked for you, and please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.